Every day, someone asks me, Jeff, why does the 42-day process actually really work? Because it's not about intensity, it's about consistency. Can you find 30 minutes in your day to change your life? You don't have to spend hours a day journaling and meditating. You just need to spend 15 minutes in the morning and 15 minutes at night to lock in those new amazing neural pathways. It's just 30 minutes a day. While the rest of the world is rushing around, you're spending a small window of time focusing on your neuroplasticity. It feels easy because it fits into your life, not the other way around. Don't let the simplicity fool you. It's those small rhythmic changes that are actually helping you rebuild your mind. So if you can set aside 15 minutes in the morning and 15 minutes at night for the next 42 days, let's see how amazing your life becomes. And what's one bad habit that you'd like to rewire? Leave that comment down below. And if you're ready to rewire your brain and you're ready to rewire your body, then hit that subscribe button and start that journey today.